Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So it looks like for this first one, someone is making a DIY tile side table here. Ooh, this green color is really interesting. It's like a really pretty jade shade. Oh, that came out awesome. Very cool. So we are at the store for this next one. We got a shopping cart going here. It looks like they spotted this really cool bohemian style basket. Looking around for some other basket styles, I'm guessing. So I actually have no clue, but we are in the basket aisle, so I'm just gonna assume that that's what they're doing. Okay, so it looks like they found something else that they like. $22 at Home Goods, my favorite store. They got an LED light bar. Usually you place that like underneath your cabinets for some lighting. Oh, they turned them into light fixtures. Now, we didn't get the full breakdown of what they actually did for this, but we can put two and two together. So obviously they cut a hole at the top and then used that light bar for the lighting. Very cool idea. All right, so next up we have a wall full of mirrors. Okay. So we have some clothespins here. Oh, so she's gonna make all of these, okay. So for this larger mirror, she's just putting some burlap fabric around there. And then some clothespins. Interesting element. I've never seen that before. So I've seen the clothespins around a mirror, like for the circular mirror design, but not like a rectangle. So this is definitely really cool. Wow. Very nice. I wish we would have got more of a close-up though, but really cool idea. So next up, we have some various items that this person is going to be using for their project. We got some, are those ping pong balls? Oh, tennis balls, okay. So this should be a really interesting one because I see a lot of variety within the items that they're gonna be using. Oh, wow. So they did like a full-on fall thing going here. Okay, so we don't have the full video of what they actually did, but woo. She used tennis balls to make that beaded garland. That is pretty interesting. All right, so next up we have someone installing some baskets and using them as the light fixtures here. Or no, actually it looks like lanterns. I'm so used to seeing the baskets being done with the ceiling lights. Okay, so they're doing like the Tulum kind of theme. Wow, I never would have thought you could have just used lanterns and hang them up. That is really clever. Huh. Like we always see people using the baskets to do like this hanging trend. Who would have thought you could just use a lantern? That is insane to me. You only had to worry about cutting them. And she just like grouped all these lanterns together to make like one ginormous lighting style situation. I'm like lost for words right now. Wow, that is really pretty. Definitely Tulum vibes for sure. And yeah, I was thinking you could use like the little flicker candles and just turn them on with a little switch. Wow, that is really cool. Help me upgrade Dollar Tree Sun into Boho. All right, so let's see. It's a cute little sun with sunglasses. Haha, clever. Okay, so she's unwrapping the original, what is that? Product, we'll say, and then going in with chunky yarn. This is actually a pretty cool idea. So basically, she's making her own design and color scheme. I almost feel like that's like an easy way to get into doing your own like DIY decor is personalization. Like take a product that's already there that, you know, from the store that inspires you, and then upgrade it into something that's more your style and aesthetic. I think that is really cool. Wow. Very cool. It looks a little homemade-ish, but sometimes that can be a good thing. I say that all the time. All right, so it looks like someone is making various, I want to say fruit baskets here. I actually liked the original terracotta color that had. Just saying. So they're making like various, what do they call these? Pedestal bowls? Ooh, that looks delicious. Ooh, the little croissants. I'm hungry. All right, you guys, I think I'm gonna grab something to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you next time.